Prefixes used in SI system. This is 11th class chemistry. Multiple prefix symbol. 10 power minus 24 prefix ecto symbol is Y. 10 power minus 21 prefix is gypto symbol Z. 10 power minus 18 prefix is atto symbol A. 10 power minus 15 prefix is femto symbol is F. 10 power minus 12 prefix is pico symbol is P. 10 power minus 9 prefix is nano symbol is N. 10 power minus 6 prefix is micro symbol is mu. 10 power minus 3 prefix is milli symbol is M. 10 power minus 12 prefix is centi symbol is C. 10 power minus 1 prefix is deci symbol is D. 10 prefix is deca symbol Da. 10 square prefix is hecto symbol H. 10 cubed prefix kilo symbol K. 10 power 6 prefix mega symbol M. 10 power 9 prefix is giga symbol G. 10 power 12 prefix is tera symbol T. 10 power 15 prefix is peta symbol P. 10 power 18 prefix is exa symbol E. 10 power 21 prefix is zeta symbol Z. 10 power 24 prefix is eta symbol Y. So these are the prefixes used in the SI system. Thank you.